Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Carcano M38 with a scope on it. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay, please. So first you need a full sheet of paper. This is just a quarter size paper, A4 paper. You can use a full sheet of paper or a quarter size paper like this. And then you want to fold it in half like so. Okay, and then you see the bottom crease line right here. You see this corner right there. You want to fold that corner in. So you want to fold in this edge right up to that top edge right there, okay? And same thing on the other side as well. So this back edge to that top edge, okay? Then you want to unfold those pieces, and then you want to push that corner in, okay? So open this up and fold that right inside like so, okay? And you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open this up and fold this right inside like so, okay? And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. So you want to bring this short edge right here up to that top edge right there, okay? And make a good crease right here. And now we're going to sink this piece right inside, okay? So you want to unfold that. Then you want to open this up. And you see that smaller rectangle in the middle? You want to fold up all the sides, okay? So all the crease line. Okay, like this. Then you want to fold in the center portion of it. So you see these crease line right here. So first you want to start out here. You want to fold that triangle right inside. And then you want to fold the other side as well, that triangle. Then just fold the whole piece down like so, okay? And then you want to kind of flip it over so the longer edge is facing up and the shorter edge is on the bottom, okay? And hold it like this so the longer edge is facing towards you, okay? And the shorter edge is in the back. Okay. This is more of a clear edge, so this is same on both sides. And now you see this bottom piece right here. You want to fold that right across like this, okay? And you see the bottom piece in the back. You see this triangle right here. You want to fold that triangle right inside. So you see this corner right there. So you want to fold this triangle where that corner is. And make sure this edge lines up as well neatly. And fold that triangle right there. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold this right inside like so, okay? And now you want to fold this whole thing in half So fold that in half. Okay, and you see that top piece right here? You want to fold that all the way up. So this is going to be the scope, of course. Up, all the way up like this. And make sure it's on the same side, so slant is facing towards the back. Okay, longer edge front, shorter edge is on the back. Okay, and now you're going to fold this down. So you want to flip it over to the back side right here. And then you see this corner right here. So you want to fold this all the way down until that corner lines up with this bottom edge right here, okay? So take that bottom piece and fold it down until that corner lines up with the bottom edge right there. Okay, and now you want to bring this corner right here and fold it right up to this corner right there, okay? Until it lines up with that corner. So and make sure this edge lines up as well. So just like that. Okay, or you can make a crease right here if you want to see it better. Okay, and then you want to fold that triangle right inside. So you want to open that up, unfold that, and you want to open up this pocket right here. And you see that triangle, you want to fold that triangle right inside, like so. Okay, and now you want to make the barrel portion. So you see this corner right here, this corner in the back, you want to fold that right up to there's an indent right here, so there's a corner in the inside, so you want to fold that right up to this corner right there. Okay, so fold this right over. Okay, and then you want to bring that corner to this front edge right here. Okay, somewhere around there, or it can go a little bit past it if you want. Okay, and then fold it back down, and then you want to take that top edge, so you want to flip it over to the front. You want to take that top edge and fold it about midway. Okay, so this is going to be the barrel, of course, and fold it about midway down. Okay, and now if you see right here, there's that little corner that sticks out. You want to hide that in the back, so fold that corner and just hide it. Fold it back so it's hidden. Okay, and flip it back to the front. Oh wait, before that, flip it back to the back side. You want to make the sight, so you want to bring that corner, that front tip, about halfway up, like that. And you want to fold the front of it in, okay? Just like that. It's a little small. But that's the front side. Now flip it over to the front side. Okay. And now you see this piece right here. So this is going to be the magazine, of course. So you want to bring this edge and you want to line it up with this bottom edge right here. Okay. So fold this back. And then you want to fold this triangle-ish shape in half. So you see this front edge right here? You want to fold that right up to this bottom edge here, okay? So if you look in the back side, bring this edge to that bottom edge. So fold this whole triangle in half. Okay, just like that. And then you see this bottom corner, just fold that up as well. Okay, and make sure it's parallel to the gun. Slant it a little bit. Okay, and then you want to kind of make a dent at the front, so kind of push in a little bit of that edge towards the back. Okay, like that. So you can shape out the magazine. So it has this rounded kind of magazine to it. Okay, and then you want to zigzag fold the back sides for the stock, of course. So of course it's going to be the scope right here. So we want to fold right around where that scope is, or right against it, maybe, actually. And then you're going to zigzag fold it back, like so. And then you want to fold in the top edge and also the bottom edge, okay? Right up to these back corners. Okay, so first the top edge, just like that. And also the bottom edge. Okay, then you want to kind of tilt it down a little bit. Okay, then you want to fold a little bit of that edge back. Okay, so you want to flip it over to the back side and then fold a little bit of that edge and fold that back. And try to make the front portion kind of parallel, and this part right here kind of slant down if you can. Oh yeah, and then you wanna, I forgot to do this part right here. You wanna unfold that just a little bit. Then you see where that corner is. You wanna fold that back where that corner is and zigzag fold it back forward. Okay, then you wanna fold that back. Okay, so it should look like this right here. Then came out quite right on here, but it's okay. Okay, and now you want to fold these corners right inside. So fold just a little bit of those corners in. Okay, and the scope. So you want to fold this in half. Like so. Fold this forward. Then fold the back portion back. The top. Kind of fold it like that. Okay, then fold this whole thing in half again. Okay. And you see this triangle at the end. You see where that corner is, so you want to fold that triangle right inside. Okay, so you can pre-crease it just like that. Unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here. Okay, and then fold that triangle right inside like so. Okay, so here's my origami Carcano M38. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.